Hey, what's going on there, YouTubers? Thanks for tuning back into another episode. So in the last video we picked up an engine for the EG hatchback. It's still in the garage. Pretty much everything's exact same spot as when you saw it last. This afternoon what we're going to be doing is picking up some parts, getting some bushings put together, and then get the new transmission from Infamous Motorsports back here at the house and put it all together. So what I've got here in the truck with me is I've got the lower control arms and I've got both spindles. We're going to put in ARP extended lug nut studs. We're also going to put in spherical lower control arm bushings, as well as I picked up a new tie rod in for the passenger side, and I don't think the ball joint's got to be replaced. Oh, I'm going to put brake pads on the front while I've got it out. But if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen this. If you follow me on Facebook, you've already seen this. I bought another car. So after after everything goes back into the EK hatch this weekend, we're going to get the EG hatch running, and then we're going to have an Integra to play with. So let's go ahead and get on the road. We've got to go up here and see Will. We've got to pick up a weight plate, and then we're going to go over to Infamous and get all this stuff done. So a couple little things, I'll take you along and we'll get started. Catch you guys in a few. The channel's been growing pretty rapidly. I can't thank you guys enough for all your support, and you guys watch all my videos, so I really wanted to say thank you. And we've hit 714 subscribers, 286 left to go before we hit our 1,000 mark. And overall we've done a lot of that in the last month. So again, I appreciate it. Thanks for all the support. I just wanted to give you guys a big thank you, and look forward to what I've got up my sleeve here in the future. So we've left the house. We're on the way to see Will. The weight plate we're picking up was donated by Raw Performance, so big help, huge help throughout this build of this EK hatch, and we're going to continue on. It's about an hour up the road. I want to go ahead and make sure everything's good. We've got a lot of different pieces planned that I've got to put into action next week. We've got to get the car scaled, and a lot of moving parts. So let's go ahead and pick it up and head on out. I really wish I hadn't left the bottom of the GoPro mount. I left it at home. I got the suction cup mount. I wanted to put you guys like on the roof or the hood or something. My F-150 is an EcoBoost, and it's just hit like 12,000 miles, and it seems like the more it gets broke in, the better it whistles. So I thought it might be a neat little segment inside the middle of the video. But we're on the way, so I'll see you guys here in a few when we get to Will. I picked up the weight plate. I've got it in the back of the truck. We're going to go over here to Ricky's and go ahead and pick up the transmission and all those goodies. And I need to use my GPS, so I'm going to go ahead and end you guys here, and we'll pick it up in just a minute. All right, I got the GPS on, so that's out of the way. So what we picked up is a 105-pound weight plate. It's got the tabs to be able to bolt it to the chassis, but we're going to take apart my traction bar that's not been on the car yet, that I just ordered, and we're going to adapt it to fit this. So this will essentially be the front part of the traction bar. So we'll get that put on, probably FabMD welded up, or get Ricky to weld it up, whoever's got the availability, and that'll be here in a future video. But we've got to get over to Ricky's, do some pressing of the hubs and some bushings, and pick up our transmission and goodies. So let's go ahead and hit the road, and we'll see you guys in a few minutes. So I made it to Infamous, and Ricky's not here, he's on a parts run. Here's the transmission in all of its glory. So we'll get this thing loaded up and should be good to go. Maybe some other mine items. Yes, sir. Long story short, but the bushing won't come out.
Removing the bushing's ability to say no.
Yeah. Little heat persuasion.
Rubbish. Bye-bye bushing. Bye-bye bushing. There it is.
Out she goes.
Bye-bye bushing. I gotta clean her up a little bit. One down. That's right here. You push it in there dead even. And these are your two spacer pieces that go back up in there and take up the slack whenever you put your bolt through. Which makes them really fun whenever you're trying to do it by yourself, because you got to hold both them pieces in, you get the bolt in, and everything on one time. The easy part.
That'll work.
I'll take put the zip tie through there so they'll fall up, because they will come back.
Or they'll come back out.
So you don't lose them on the way.
So boys and girls, that sums it up. We got lower control arm spherical bushings pushed into the lower control arms, thanks to Infamous Motorsports and Ricky. It wasn't as easy as what we had anticipated, but we got it done. Also got ARP extended lug nut studs put in the hubs. I broke a couple studs last time out at the track. And got the transmission, got the ACT twin disc, got the MFactory diff, got an intake manifold for the B20. So, I mean, we're hooked up. We're going to go ahead and end this video off here. Hope you guys enjoyed. And stick around, stay tuned, subscribe for another episode. And we'll catch you guys in the next video.